Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a first impression of some makeup I ordered online. This is new from Jcat Beauty. I've been seeing it all over the internets, so I needed to see for myself if this was any good. I have the Aquasurance Compact Foundation. I ordered 2 shades. One medium beige, one natural. I'm like, it is so hard to figure out which powder foundation is so hit and miss. It can come across really white or kind of orange, right? And then they have these palettes, or pocket palettes, is that what they're called? Pocket shadows. I got 2 of the 4 they have. They are 6 matte, 6 shimmer. I got Walk of Stardom and Red Carpet Premiere. So I thought they looked pretty. I have not tried Jcat Beauty eyeshadows, have I? Wow, that's some pigment there. So this is the, this is Red Carpet Premiere. That is kind of pretty. That's kind of pretty. Ooh, come on. Maybe there's just like a spray over. It's okay. Oh wait, I had Jcat Beauty. I had that one palette I got from Ulta and I didn't like it. Okay, but hope is still out there. Okay, this is weird. So this one kind of looks better on my finger than it felt. And then this one looks really nice. Okay, so that's this shade right here. That looks, ooh, yeah. Okay, and then let's try this one. It looks kind of like it might be shimmery. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, okay. There's some good neutrals, you know, some transition lid shades. This is also, I feel, oh gosh, my nails in these, when I'm opening packages. Gee Louise. You know what I'm talking about. Okay. These were very affordable. I want to say $6.99, $7.99. We have another fall favorite, possibly. Some pumpkin spice action. This is Walk of Stardom. Ochre. Look it. It's another ochre. Maybe I'll do Battle of the Ochres. Maybe I'll actually look up what ochre is or keep using it in every video. Again, this shade looks like it's just going to leap out and be super pigmented, and it feels like it's swatching a little bit hard. But then this one is fabulous. So, what? I don't know. I don't know what you're doing to me, Jcat. But, okay, so maybe there's like one bed in each palette. Or maybe those are just, you know, something that just really needs some setting spray. Maybe it's intentionally that way. I don't know. We will play with them, and then let's look at this powder foundation. I'm going to just get into this because it recommends to use a hydrating primer. So I did that. I'm using my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. So, Aquasurance, these are only $13.99. It is like so. It comes with a sponge. The reason I love the Wander Beauty, it's kind of got this velvety puff. So we'll see which goes better. Looks pretty good. This one is natural. So we shall see. It claims to have some hydrating ingredients and ooh, check that out. So it really does have kind of this, I don't want to say creamy. It's not creamy, but it is a very thick, what do I want to say? It's not creamy, dense. It's very dense for powder. So it doesn't feel chalky. Or anything like that. I have a feeling I'm definitely going to be the natural shade. Yeah, girl, what were you thinking? So medium beige, natural. Okay, let's try the puff. I'm gonna try their sponge and then I'm gonna, I don't know, maybe try. Wow. Here we go. So it's definitely covering. Oh man, I will need to go lighter for winter. Okay. It says to use wet or dry. You know, we'll see. That's a lot of coverage. It doesn't look too chalky up close. I will be honest. I'm now trying, this is actually a velvet puff, not from Wander Beauty, but maybe from, oh my goodness. What are you from? It's not on the, are you from YSL? You can buy velvet puffs on Etsy. There's Etsy shops that make, maybe they're not Etsy, maybe they're just their own website that make like a velvet. This is such a neat little, I love that kind of microfibery velvet. So it doesn't look very good in my eyebrows. It's a little bit patchy up over my eyebrow. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see that. It has, you know, when it breaks down product, you know, when foundation breaks down or you put on foundation and then you powder and then you try to do something over the top and it starts to break away. That's what it kind of looks like right there. I don't know why that is. I don't know if that's reacting with my sunscreen in just that one spot. I do like the powder or the puff application. It's pretty good. I don't think it's better or different in terms of the finished product from my face. Let's try it wet. Oh. Huh. That's weird. That is not what I expected trying it wet. I have not tried the Wander Beauty one wet yet, because, wait, is it wet dry? I should check. Maybe I'm speaking out of turn. Okay, so wetting it actually makes it a more sheer coverage. I thought, by the way, I just wet my sponge with a luminizing finishing spray, dewy finish spray from CoverFX because I was too lazy to get to the sink. I thought it would be wet. I thought it would be thicker and kind of pastier, and it's not. Wow. Okay, but now my sponge is drying a smidge, so I'm building it. It does kind of build. Well, hot dog, what do you know? Huh. So, I'm kind of impressed. You know, I mean, I think for $13.99, I would also like to see how this wears as a setting powder with applying it with a brush, just like a fluffy brush. And, you know, with my bronzer lotion, I'm not too bad on the color difference, so, you guys, I don't know. Let me know what you see. Let me know what you see. I might, it does say to, you know, as a good finish to put setting spray over the top of it. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to just let this melt into my skin while I do eyeshadow. And I'm not going to clean up yet right here with like concealer or anything just yet. I'm going to do the eyeshadow and then we'll see, okay? Okay. I am going to go in with a fluffy brush. I'm going into this taupe shade at the top. It is in the Red Carpet Premiere palette. I have not put on primer, eyelid primer, or anything. So we are gonna really give this baby a wear test. How about that? You guys, I have had a cup of coffee and 2 shots of espresso this morning. If you see my hands start to shake, call 911. I'm kidding. I've been drinking so much coffee lately. I'm now Lorelai Gilmore. And I just have to say, it's kind of funny. You know how when you're like drinking your coffee and you still complain you're tired, or you're like, oh, wow, this day. And then the other day, I didn't have any coffee for almost lunchtime. And I was dragging. Like, I was like, no wonder I have coffee early. I mean, I am a tea drinker, but without that morning coffee, right around, I would say magic hour of coffee is between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. That's like my coffee time. And I know you guys don't care about this. You just want to know about the eyeshadows. Okay, and now I'm going in the shade next door to that one, and I'm gonna kind of dab around. I like this. I always like a light kind of flesh tone bisque ivory that goes on with really good pigment. You know, it makes me happy. So that's just 2 shades so far. I am going to go into the other palette, Walk of Stardom, and I'm going into this copper shade. It's metallic, well, hence the copper. And I'm just gonna see how it applies by itself. When I say by itself, I mean without setting spray. Wow, that's really, do you guys see what's happening here? That's pretty good. Fallout is minimal. I can tell you right now, I am liking these palettes better than that giant kind of Morphe BH Cosmetics lookalike that I got at Ulta. That one was not so good, and these are knocking my socks off. Let's try the patchy shade on a brush with setting spray, okay? I've got a dense flat brush. I'm going in, and this is gold. I mean, it looks like gold leaf in the pan. Huh, it's just not doing it for me. That is so weird. I don't know why that is. It's very patchy and chunky. It definitely applies better with a finger. I mean, that you're getting the Midas, you know. Woo! That's better. Why does it not want to apply? So weird. Anyway, but all in all, like, these are really good. I'm going to take a pencil brush and go in to another pearly shade and just go right here. And then I'm going to do my inner corner, and I'm kind of piling that on, huh? So without liner and mascara, just the way it is, I do like it, you guys. I do like it. I'm giving this gold another try because sometimes when you go back and forth with a metallic, it lays the pigment different. So it did help. It did help. Is it Pat McGrath? No. But I didn't pay $7.99 for Pat McGrath either. Okay, and so far I think my face is looking okay, right? And the setting spray did a pretty good job. I'm gonna finish off with some eyebrows and lipstick, and I will come right back. I have my full face on, and so far, so good. The eyeshadows are really nice. I'm impressed. Those are good. Worth the money for sure. And possibly, you know, there's a lightness to these. You know, there's not enough difference between the two of them in terms of kind of that reddish. So I can understand that. But I've checked them out. You know, there was 2 more, and I think there was some more neutrals or more cool tones. So the foundation has some interesting aspects to it. It is kind of filling in my pores in terms of looking a little bit, my nose looks speckled, like it looks like I can see the pores on my nose. Okay, my forehead is a little bit textured, just a little bit. So I'm definitely thinking the best way to go about this is either the sponge they give us, dry or wet with some kind of setting spray or water or something like that. So it hasn't been very long that I've been wearing this. My head looks a little patchy, you know? It's just a little bit patchy close up, and it's a little bit kind of textured, just pores, you know, I'm just seeing my pores. So it's not like it's kind of this velvet smooth, but from just, you know, a regular vantage point, looks fine, pretty good for $13.99. And I did dust a little bit on right here with a brush, and it did go nicely. So I have a feeling this might be a good touch-up powder with a brush because it has such good coverage. So it's dense. We'll see how it wears. I'll leave you guys notes on everything so that you can tell for yourself if, you know, you want to pull the trigger or not. By the way, on my lips, I'm using the Maybelline Plumper from my drugstore haul. And this is the shade 200, and I can't read what it is. Tease there. Tease. It's good. It has, you know, if you're looking for a nude, it's got a little bit of a plump action. It doesn't hurt. So, all right. So there you go, you guys. First impressions, Jcat Beauty online. If you find this stuff in stores like Beauty Supply or wherever Jcat is sold, let me know, because I was only able to find it online. I mean, it's not like I only looked so far. Okay, I hope you are subscribed to my channel. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.